जिंदगी कड़वी हो बेशक, ख्वाब तो मीठे बुनेंगे। बेबसी के वक्त भी उम्मीद का रास्ता चुनेंगे। मुश्किलों से कह दो हमको टूटना आता नहीं है, हम प्रलय के शोर में भी जिंदगी की धुन सुनेंगे। प्रणाम, नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। Dear students, silence is the key to success. It motivates one towards the right behavior. And the perfect behavior decides your success. You must learn how to technical behave. As nowadays, you all are technical savvy. If you proceed through social media, it will clutter your concentration. Dear students, it creates mental fatigue and you will be unconsciously away from your targets. Then the question arises, how to enhance the focus and the thought process and make up mind for faster work? So dear students, the answer is, firstly, graciously avoid social circle and conversations, chats, etc. with your so-called friends who diverts you. Start introspecting. This is a precious time and you all can hit the target by following Leonardo da Vinci's statement that nothing strengthens authority so much as silence and concentration. Dear students, due to pandemic and postponements of board exams as well as competitive exams, you all became fatigued of this monotony and started spoiling seconds and minutes. By spoiling it, you spoil hours. By hours, your days are spoiled, and day by day, months, and in this way, the year is ended. Then to whom you blame? The system? COVID? Administration? Or teachers? Dear students, instead of doing it, we can opt away. And that way is only practice. Once upon a time, Lord Shiva was on strike of not playing drum palette, and due to that there was no rain. Everyone on earth pleaded Lord Shiva, but he was rigid and declared that after 12 years only he will be able to play it. All the farmers were disappointed and moved back to home and started killing the time by sitting idly and involved in gossiping, fighting, etc. Only one farmer, Manav, strived hard in the field by sowing the seeds, manuring the land, etc. Rest farmer made fun of him by teasing that he is spoiling his energy in the field even after knowing the truth that there will be no rain before 12 years. Manav replied with courtesy, "Dear friends, after 12 years, if the rain will come, then there must be a question in all of us' mind that 12 years is a long time. And if I stop hard work, how will I manage after 12 years when the situation will be normal?" I'm not spoiling, but practicing. Lord Shiva was listening to the conversation from Himalaya. Even he himself introspected the idea that what if after 12 years I forget playing drum palette. Thinking of it, he started practicing of playing drum palettes and listening the sound. Clouds swirled immediately and started pouring rain on earth. Consequently, crops emerged immediately in the fields of Manav. His efforts were fruitful. Rest of all farmers repented on their idleness. Dear students, there is a learning in the story. You too comprehend the importance of honest practice without any cheating or wrong means. 24/7 is yours. You can study throughout day and night. Be ready to create history. India is going to be Vishwaguru only with your intellect, and you have to be ready to contribute in it. Ask yourself, how will you feel if you will be capable in accomplishing your dreams? In a future corner, you must be introspecting that you utilized a very precious and rare moment when you were getting resources in a tough time, and fortunately you availed it successfully. You were blessed with great tutors and you could learn it in rare situation. Opportunities knocked and you could welcome by opening the doors. Do you want to set trends in future? If the answer is a big yes, then close your eyes. Explore the infinite opportunities which are in front of you. Don't see the empty glass, but try to see the invisible air in it. Students, before the pandemic, people spent thousands and lakhs of rupees for online learning. And see now, you should grab it and mug up everything. You could get from anywhere. Order your consigns, set constructive goals and hit the target. Be focused, be motivated. Best of luck for your bright future. Thank you very much.